Ibrahim Troaré in Burkina Faso yesterday. It was like a movie. Like your man showed them that he is not just a president. He is a well-trained military man. So I don't know if it has appeared on your FYP today. Like anywhere you go, it is Burkina Faso drone videos. That is what the algorithm is showing. So what at all is the story? Let me dive you into this. The real insight about this story is because of the numerous assassination attempts that has come against Ibrahim Troaré, in his own sense, he has installed CCTV cameras, surveillance cameras across all the towns that is near Ouagadougou, where the presidential palace is. And it is not even only in where the presidential palace is, across all the various cities, in the villages in Burkina Faso, and anywhere, any place that the surveillance camera is, there is a trusted military man who is taking care of that CCTV camera. So Troaré received a call from one of the offices, the surveillance offices, that His Excellency, please, I have seen a terrorist group, over 1,000 men, who are approaching your palace, your presidential palace at the Ouagadougou side. So please order a call, because already you are commander-in-chief of the army. So make a call so that the soldiers will mobilize and attack them. But you know what Ibrahim Troaré did? He said no. Like he laughed and said no. This is a coup job. This will not involve any one military man. Leave it to me. I am going to handle them. That is what Ibrahim Troaré said. Nothing more. So he called the Navy, who is in charge of the Navy. So he called them. He called him and said, please assign that one drone. So there is this drone, this special drone that China gifted it to Ibrahim Troaré. It is only for special duties. It is only for special duties. And there is two drones that the king of wickedness,
lorsque l'évêque de Nigériens surveillants au profit de leurs unités au sol font la passe au vecteur burkinabé d'une colombe criminelle d'exfiltration. Ils sont immédiatement pris en compte alors qu'ils se réorganisent pour foncer vers les forces nigériennes. La coordination est faite immédiatement avec les forces amies pour commencer l'unité est alors immédiatement anéantie, pas loin des forces amies.
Or if you start to spray the ammunition or the drone, the power from the drone on them, it is going to wound or affect one Burkinabe, or on the other way around, it's going to affect the Burkinabes. So do you know what he did? He started using the North Korean drones. So it was spraying fake bullets. So it started chasing them one by one. So the plan that the terrorist people had is, if they go to the town, the people are going to mob and attack them. So the only option that they had was to run to the nearby bush, the nearby forest. So it was that place that Ibrahim Troaré started displaying. So that drone that China gifted to them, it is called the White Beauty. So it was that time that it started spraying like there is Charlie. Watch the video how it was going. When I saw the video, I was like, I feel good. Charlie, it is like he chased them one by one. He sprayed on all of them. Over 1,000 men. Because the thing is over you, the thing is above you. So where are you hiding? Where are you going to hide this time? If the thing is on ground, you know you can attack. But the only way you can attack a drone is by maybe an air defense system, through an air defense system. But you weren't prepared for that too. So what are you going to do now? So Ibrahim Troaré attacked them from above. That drone, he did all the job. So Ibrahim Troaré was in his comfort zone, his office, presidential office, and controlling everything, watching everything on the screen. As he was spraying bullets on them, he was spraying on them. So it's left with only one tanker. A tanker that was holding, the tanker that was having the ammunition. So in the video, you will see where the tanker driver was, the tanker was blasted. and the driver was running where the drone was chasing him, or Saleh, Ibrahim Troaré has not come to play.